How to fix Facebook not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can fix if Facebook is not working on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if the Facebook app isn't working on your iPhone, all you have to do is first of all just try to check if your internet connection is working just fine. After you've done that, open up settings, then just go to general and then just go to iPhone storage. Then after that, simply look for the Facebook application here and tap on it. Tap on offload app, try to offload it, and then make sure to also reinstall the application. After you've done that, make sure to open up your app store and in the search box just type in Facebook. Once you type in Facebook, check if the Facebook app has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. This way you'll be able to fix Facebook not working on your iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.